What's up, guys? Steve Fade here, and I am here with the Ampere Audio Encore, which you guys may have seen pictures of. It's a 3-inch coil Neo. I think the thing weighs like, I don't know, less than 20 pounds, like 17 pounds. And I'm just playing with it here in my CRX. CRX isn't wired up yet, so I got my power TFE on the bench here with a juice box lithium and the excess power supply. So we're just kind of breaking it in, having a little fun. We're gonna do 20 hertz, let you guys hear, see some stroke, see if we can't hear any mechanical noise. That's just the track. Alright, so we're gonna burp this thing, and I'm not gonna pretend like we haven't been playing with this sub. So it's starting to get broke in, and as it does, it's getting louder and lower, and it's now getting to the point of getting outside of my little CRX box tuning where it wants to peak. So the whole point of the burping was to see where we start to hit compression and what sort of thermal capabilities this thing had. So I don't get hung up too much on the number, I guess, because especially since I don't have a baseline for this car yet. Virgin car, first sub in here, and the fact it's not a burp sub, it's a music sub. Like I said, once it keeps getting broken in, it's getting louder and lower. So we're gonna cut it loose. We'll see if we can get a 50 out of it, see how much power, then we'll double power and see if we get 3 dB, blah 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 blah. All right, here we go. Y'all ready? Oh, I didn't turn the amp on. God damn, I keep doing that. All right, here we go. 150 dB coming up. All right, so 150.2 at 1100. That's not bad. Not too bad. So let's double that up and see if we can get 2200 watts, see if we get a 53. Well, I overshot it a little bit. So it took 3K to do 53, so we might be running into a little bit of compression there. Also, before I even started this video, I was beating up on this thing pretty good, but it's handling power like a champ. Like I said, this is not a burp sub, so let's not get crazy and let's not get hung up on the numbers. The thing is barely even warm right now, like it's literally not even warm. It's handling power like a champ. So, all right, I think I'm gonna play with it some more. I'll keep you guys updated. Maybe I'll post some numbers up and do the thing.